Hello everyone. Now we are going to see about production of amylases. What are amylases? Enzymes that break down starch or glycogen are amylases. It is present in the saliva of humans and some other mammals where it begins the chemical process of digestion. All amylases are glycoside hydrolysis and act on alpha 1 fluoro glycosidic bond produced by a variety of living organisms ranging from bacteria to plants and humans. Classification of amylases. It is classified into three based on how they break down the starch molecules: alpha amylases, beta amylases, and gamma amylases. First, alpha amylases. They are calcium metalloenzymes, break down long chain carbohydrates. They are faster acting than beta amylases. It is the major digestive enzyme in the animals. The optimum pH is 6.7 to 7. It is found in plants, fungi, and bacteria. The substrate that alpha amylases act upon is starch. Next one is the beta amylases. It is synthesized by bacteria, fungi, and plants. Beta amylases catalyze the hydrolysis of the second alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond working from the non-reducing end. It is present in seeds in an active form prior to germination. During ripening of fruits, amylase break down starch into maltose, resulting in the sweetness of ripened fruits. Its optimum pH is 4 to 5. Next one is the gamma amylases. Gamma amylases cleaves 1,6 glycosidic linkages in addition to cleave the last alpha 1 fluoro glycosidic linkages at non-reducing end of amylose and amylopectin, unlike the other forms of amylase yielding glucose. Gamma amylases is most efficient in acidic environment and has the optimum pH of 3. Sources. Alpha amylases can be isolated from plants, animals, or microorganisms. The enzyme has been isolated from barley and rice plants. It has been found that cassava mash waste water is a source of alpha amylases, which is active in wide range of pH and temperature. The most widely used source among the bacterial species is the Bacillus species, Bacillus amyloliquefaciens, and Bacillus licheniformis. Fungal source of alpha amylases are mostly Aspergillus species and only few other Penicillium species. Production methods of amylases. There are mainly two methods which are used for production on a commercial scale. They are solid state fermentation, submerged fermentation. Solid state fermentation. Method used for microbes which require less moisture content for their growth. The solid substrates commonly used in this method are bran, baxi, and paper pulp. The main advantage is that nutrient-rich waste material can be easily recycled and used as substrate in this method. Submerged fermentation employs free-flowing liquid substrates such as molasses and broths. The products yielded in fermentation are secreted into the fermentation broth. The substrates are utilized quite rapidly, hence the substrate need to be constantly replenished. SMF is the primarily used for extraction of secondary metabolites that need to be used in liquid form. Applications. In baker's industry, converting starch into smaller fermentable sugars. In textile industry, used to removal of starch sizing agents from woven fabric. Fuel alcohol production, converting starch into small fermentable sugars which are acted upon by yeast to produce alcohol. Thank you.